Hey everyone, in this video we will be going on a family vacation in the French Alps, in a small mountain town called Clusaz. We spent 3 days with my family there. However, as it is beginning of April, some of us tried to go skiing and some of us went hiking. You will be following the road there as well as the hiking with us. We also kinda double pack, because from there we'll go straight to an international flight, but more of that at the end. Alright, so are we ready to go traveling?
Yay!
Then let's go! Alright, so here we are on our way to Clusaz in the French Alps. So let's see, Tina is driving and we just left our place and we still have almost 5 hours to drive, so let's go! Are you ready? Yes. Alright, so let's get a little update here. We are 40 minutes in. Tina already got a fine. I mean, she got flashed by speed control. And what else did you do? And she missed already one exit. But everything's good. We keep going. Here comes the Swiss border. Drive on highway in Switzerland, you need the vignette, which we already have. So let's see, hopefully we can just quickly pass there. Yup! And there will be the border. So after some snack and a yogurt while driving, we made a stop in a Swiss gas station for a little break. Swiss stations are quite cool. They often have a grocery store, restaurant, and even a place where you can buy local cheese and bread. We even found the biggest Toblerone ever. It was so heavy that Tina couldn't put it back. Toilets are not free, but you can redeem the coupon you get within the station if you buy something else. Well, we got some sandwiches. We then hopped back on the car and kept on driving. Got some tunnels, traffic jam, and even a small sightseeing of Geneva. And here we are in Clusaz. Yeah! My family had picked the hotel, which was the Hotel Beauregard, a beautiful mountaintop hotel on the edge of town, right next to a cable car station. We got half pension, and cool thing was that they offer vegan and vegetarian option, plus they were open to make us anything we would ask. So we quickly checked out the hotel and then went to our room. The room was comfortable and spacious enough for a mountain hotel, but the view was breathtaking. It was what we preferred. As it was Easter, we also got some chocolate eggs. We then went for a small walk and then back to our room to rest and get ready for dinner. Hey, how are you doing?
Good.
After some stunning morning views of the Alps, we went for breakfast, which, as always in those places, was a buffet. The homemade raspberry jam though was amazing. We then walked through town to get to another cable car going to Beauregard, which is supposed to be the nicest view of this area. Tina! 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 Oh, maître! And that's my sister. Hey, look! And that's Tina. Oh, hi. Hi. And that's me. That's Santi and my mother.
La vie est belle.
Ah regarde, moi aussi je fais une vidéo. Ah coucou. Ouais.
Regardez, on fait pas de...
Ah, ils font pas de vidéo. Ah, Tina. Now the video is half in French, half in English. We then went for a drink in the restaurant on the summit. As it is end of April, only one of them was open, the 1647. As it was around noon, we got ourselves some refreshment and enjoyed the view on a beach chair under a beautiful blue sky.
On a acheté donc des potes, les mêmes que moi. Et on en a vu dans le magasin.
Regarde la vidéo, As we were hungry, we went back down, returned the cable car card and went for some delicious food at the Delicious, where they had lots of super yummy options for all taste. In the afternoon, we stayed only with my sister and went for a small hike. It was a 3-hour hike over 7 km or so as we started from the hotel. The beginning of the hike was in the forest and then viewpoint was the Belvédère de la Perrière. On the way back, we actually changed the road to get straight to the hotel, which made us go down through a beautiful hill. Obviously, after that, we just took a shower and got ready for dinner. Today was Easter, so our Alp sister's little boy Sasha got some gift and chocolate at breakfast. He was so happy. After that, again with my sister, we went for a one-day hike, but this time to La Tête du Danet. After a nice start and enjoyable beginning, we quickly found ourselves in the snow, which we didn't expect as we weren't that high. It was okay for us, but quite a struggle for my sister, who is not used to hiking. However, we took it slowly and managed all together. We made a lunch break at the highest viewpoint, La Tête du Danet. The day before, we bought some bagels and dessert from the restaurant we were for lunch. It was really yummy, plus the view were amazing and completely worth the hike. Once down, we joined with some of my family for a drink on the terrace of the hotel. It was really enjoyable as we got the perfect weather. Later on, we ended up back at the table for dinner, which was once again super good, but quite huge. And that was the end of our family vacation. The next day we'll be saying goodbye after breakfast as we are going to Vietnam. So stay tuned for the following video.